guys, this is going to be my first video on my YouTube channel. The first video will be about how to do a single spin. The single spin is the most common drill spin in armed exhibition. Most competitive drill teams learn it as the very first thing, but this is to go into the basics of how to do it. So you'll start off rifle vertical. This is exhibition port arms. But anyways, in the next step, what you will then do is you'll dip the rifle, and in that dipping motion of the rifle, you will then slide your right hand down the stock of the rifle all the way to the end, right here at the butt of the rifle. You kind of want the rifle to be back vertical, almost a 180 dip to where it's facing down. You're holding right here at the top of the stock. Arm, you want it to be right here at 90-degree angle. That way it's good leverage when you do the pushing of the rifle. Your left hand during the dip motion will actually slide a little bit. Some people prefer to keep it there, balance reasons. I have, however, found it's most comfortable if you slide your hand just slightly from the middle of the rifle. And so when you're going in, this is the whole movement. So like, ready, move, one. Ready, move, one. In one motion. After that, the next motion is the actual tossing and spinning part of the rifle. So you go to your first step in the motion. Then at the point being, you then will push with your right hand at the stock of the rifle. And then you will toss with your left hand the rifle up. And in that motion, you want to push hard enough to where the rifle will go around your hand. And you want to let go of the rifle to let it rotate actually around your hand. Many people find it a first-time issue of them not letting go with their left hand, and so the rifle twists their hand, and it actually messes them up. But yeah, so you want to push with your right hand, toss with your left hand, let the rifle curve around your left hand, and then re-catch it. So in step 2, it's like that. You push, and you let the rifle spin around. I'm going to attach a slow-mo video at the end of this video, so you can actually pause, look at my placement of hands during the spin of the rifle, and so you can kind of learn on your own without the instructional part of this video. But anyway, so you're at step 1, then you execute step 2, tossing it around your hand. That goes to step 3, the actual catching part of the rifle. The catching part of the rifle is when you push the stock of the rifle, twist around, and you catch it again with your left hand. You don't need your right hand to stop it. You catch it again with your left hand. After it does one rotation, you then re-grab with your left hand right here, usually at the balance point of the rifle, which is the middle of the rifle. So you rotate it and catch. You gotta let go and then let the rifle spin about your hand once. In the catching part, that kind of brings you to step 4, the actual stopping part of the rifle. Depending on how you want to stop to go in your next move, would then affect this part of the actual single spin. But the single spin, you basically learned it here. This can get introduced in different types of manuals. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, backy, forthy. It really goes into whatever you want. I'll have other videos of that, but in essence, you do the single spin and you bring out your right hand to stop the rifle. And so you do one whole rotation, like so. Okay. But yeah, that's basically how you do a single spin. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.